It's time to diversify your paid advertising strategy. This client did by implementing a Performance Max campaign with a few conversion tracking tweaks that led to a well-crafted marketing plan projected to outperform last year's sales during the holidays. So how about we become familiar with this business? As family-owned and operated for over 50 years, this snack company is committed to delivering the freshest, most nutritious, delicious snacks. With the launch of a new line of flavored popcorn, they wanted to ensure that they could make the most out of their advertising by potentializing their sales. Yes, they had steady traffic flow, but needed to pick up the pace to improve the volume of converting customers to their site. And what better season to focus on than end-of-the-year holidays? Simple but valuable goals to achieve were increase new customer acquisition and improve traffic quality. Achieving their objectives could only be possible with a proven strategy. So we performed campaign optimization and best practices that promise to deliver on performance. The launch of a Performance Max campaign highlighting their new featured product, repurposing remarketing audiences for their display campaign for PMax assets, and review and adjust conversion tracking to make better bid optimization decisions. Within a year, this business accomplished effective marketing tactics to establish a projection of sales growth year over year. By increasing impressions by 70%, they experienced 27% more users to their site, and combined with accurate tracking, achieved 100 new customers. While your holiday marketing strategy should already be in place, it's not too late to sneak in something more to maximize its potential. Reach out to find out easy and effective ways to get started.